Hello, this is Eric from Audio Pack Factory. Today we have a brief introduce of samples of pvc-o pack. Mainly the two advantages. The first one, increase the hydraulic capacity. Take a look at here. So this is all pvc-o pack, and this one with diameter 315, and this one PE pack with diameter 110, same with this one. You can see the wall thickness. Yeah, even this one with larger OD is thinner with the PE one. So it has large transfer capacity of water. So the second is unbeatable impact resistance. Now we take a small test here. Both things too. Okay, that's all for today. Next time I will show you our workshop in the factory. Thanks.